Hi, Mel.
Eu não tô achando que eu quero.
Hi, Gigi. Hi, Mel. Hi, Gigi. It's a beautiful day to be on the road. Another day on the road. Road to recovery. Road 401. 401 west. Go west. Go west. So, after 4.5 months, or shall I say, I've owned this car for 3.5 months now. It's been roughly about 3.5 months. No issues whatsoever. It's the third time I'm taking it to Toronto. Driving it to Toronto for the third time. The only thing that we found was, or I was told of, after the second mechanical inspection, was the spring. The spring here was broken. Is broken. It's still broken. I didn't change it.
Tá cega? Olha, Jonas.
Você achou a água?
Não, eu tô dando comida.
So, vai roubar da outra, né? And that's pretty much it. Gonna keep this video short and sweet. Yeah, so far it's been pretty reliable vehicle, pretty reliable for a Mercedes, I guess. 3.5 months in, no real issues. I'm gonna have to change that spring eventually in here. Right height spring is gonna have to be changed. Nothing else. Anyways, on my way to Aurora. See the highway here. Try to get some zoom going here. Well, the zoom doesn't want to work. Anyhow, anywho, thanks for watching my boring video. Bye bye. See you on the next one.